The scenery is a little different. I am in the backyard. I wanted to enjoy the sunset and come record with you guys. Hey guys, welcome to another one of my videos. I really appreciate it if you managed to make it back to my channel, and for subscribing. It means a lot to me. Today what I did was record what I ate. Hopefully you get some inspo on some food ideas, also a workout that I did today. Let me know how your meals come out. If you're interested in some meal ideas, just keep on watching. Hey guys, it's editing me. I am here because I noticed that some of the ingredients on the back of this label were a little different, so I do recommend getting a different brand. I saw Dave's Killer Bread. They have an epic everything bagel that has 12 grams of protein, which is probably better. This cream cheese that you see here is vegan. I use it because I bloat whenever I have dairy. It is extremely good. It has organic ingredients, so instead of getting this Lender's brand, I will no longer be getting this, but we can learn something new together and definitely try the Dave's Killer Bread everything bagel. I'm sure that it's phenomenal. It has chia seeds, a lot of omega-3s. This Health Aid kombucha is extremely delicious. It's 80 calories for the whole bottle. As you can see, I don't drink the whole thing, but it is super tasty and supposed to be good for gut health. Come over, come over, come over to me. I'm over here, you see. Hey guys, so it's me again. I'm here just to explain how I made this protein workout shake. It has bananas, berries. This protein has 25 grams. Also, my granola had 14 additional grams of protein. This turns out so good. You need to trust me when I tell you this. It is definitely the way to go after a workout, especially out in the sun. So I'm preparing for lunch and dinner. I obviously am cooking the chicken. I cut them because the chicken breasts are a little bigger, so I tend to cut them a little smaller so I get more meat out of it, I guess you could say. I'm cutting some limes because the chicken is a lime chicken. It comes out so good. I think I used roughly like 2 limes total. I cut them out. It comes out to be a total of 2 limes, but it looks like I used 6. I promise I only used 2. Now I use this blend here because it adds so much flavor to the chicken. I let it saute a little bit on the pan, and then I go ahead and I add my chicken shortly after you start to see it steaming. So now I'm cooking the yellow squash. It's really good to add paprika. It tastes phenomenal. I didn't have that though. I did have the everything seasoning from Flavor God, and oh my gosh, it tasted so good. So I recommend, if you don't have Flavor God, then to use paprika. Probably salt and pepper do the same good, but it just adds more flavor to it. So then I start cooking the yellow squash. I leave it until about when it starts getting a little softer. It comes out to taste so good. Obviously, I had to get my fats in because I need my fats. So I cut some avocados up. And voila! Alright guys, finished the hip portion of my workout. I'm about to hit some abs. I'm actually sweating, can't tell if it's the sun or the actual workout. I am in the shade though, so I'm not gonna overheat guys. Thanks for worrying. My handy dandy Celsius, can't do anything without it. If you ever want a product, Extra Energy. This flavor is actually really good. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video and are sweating as much as I am. Literally the whole bottom of my hair is drenched. I'm no nutritionist, but these are things that you can eat. You can adjust it to some food restrictions you may have. As you saw, my cream cheese has no dairy in it. I get really bloated when I have any type of dairy. I hope that these inspired you to go to the grocery store, help you pick out some healthier options, put those Lays away, get some rice cakes with some almond butter, and have that be a little Nutella snack. Now I know it's not Nutella, but it does taste pretty darn good. Make sure you're getting your water intake. I drink 2 of these a day, 2 liters overall. I got it from Healthish. It has been the best reusable water bottle ever. It does have the little times on it, as you can see. I hope this video inspired you to get in your kitchen, start cooking, go outside, start moving, get a jump start on your journey. Join me online, subscribe so you can continue to see my videos and any ideas that I may post. Oh my god, it is so hot outside. Let me know what you guys want to see more of, what other workout ideas you want to see, leg day, upper body, minimal equipment, with dumbbells. I have it all. Just let me know. Well, that pretty much concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. It's mariafit_x. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.